is clutch season and I'm about to break this shit. So I went ahead and got the Z1 Motorsports clutch kit with the unsprung face and the 14 pounds flywheel. I also got the CSC delete kit so I could do the whole package all at once. And so I also went for a aftermarket resonator test pipes. Alright, so now I'm trying to drive the Z around. I'm on my way to my girlfriend's house, and that's pretty much what I've been doing. She lives local, so it's a lot of local driving, which is good for this car. As far as the expression or how the car feels, it is night and day difference. It feels so much better with the CSC delete, so much better. And the clutch is pretty heavy, I'm not gonna lie. It is pretty decently heavy. It reminds me of my dad's semi-truck. When my dad tried it out, he was like, oh, this is nothing. This is good. But it's something to get used to, but personally I like it. Within the first couple of days, it's like, yeah, this sucker is heavy, but you get a good feel from it. You get really good feel from this, so trying to keep the RPM low and just drive it smooth and slow, just regular driving. The best way you can think about it is driving with your grandma sitting next to you, and you just want to be careful, and you don't want to be hauling ass in any way, or over revving, or dumping the clutch. You can't be doing any of those. Driving it smooth, and that's how you kind of bring it in. I'm trying to reach for like 400 to 600 miles already. Like within a week, I already put 116 miles on it, and this is not my daily car. This is my weekend car. I already have a company car which I drive everywhere with because I have to. Other than that, this car is pretty solid. I don't know if you could catch it with the audio, but you can hear the difference for sure with the new test pipes. I love it. It sounds so much better. There's a little bit of rasp right there. It's around, if you see it, it's around like 2,700 right there. It kind of goes away after that. Do it again. Not too bad. But the downshift and the barbell, pretty good. Alright guys, I'll keep you guys updated. This is so far going along pretty well.